this is story time. Something else have come up. We have to redo what we've already done. This is day 18 of egg incubation. Unaweza mholdia tatra. So this is day 18 of egg incubation, and we had started this process earlier on. Then we realized there was an issue with water. So that's what we are doing right now. We also have a new machine with some guys working outside right there, and we just want to see how to resolve this issue as it goes on. So you can just hold it for me from this angle while it's still working so I can help him, all right? Yeah, just start. All right, so it's interesting because we want to ensure that everything goes on well, and so you can just hold that that one on top of it. Where is it? Sideways. What do you do on the sideways? Let me try to say what you do on the sideways. So that so what we're trying to do is we just realize, let me help you just a little bit. Just realize there was an issue. Just hold up this one. We just realized there was an issue earlier on with this water. It started to leak in the machine. So this meant we have to adjust our machine and come up with a new machine as well for the hatching nest. And to resolve this, we're redoing everything again. And the bad news is we are literally racing against the time. We also need to ensure that this is not put in there. So it's only for this moment to ensure that these eggs are not cold. Because if they are stay long enough outside and they are cold, then that becomes, can you hold that for me, please? That becomes a problem. Or you hold these. And even right now, as we're speaking, my biggest problem I'm facing is my eggs are not enough here. I don't know, guys. Sometimes it's so stressful. They were supposed to be enough, but surprisingly, they are not. Just put it down there. Come on. So let me know where you're joining from. Also hold this one, put it down there for the first time, because I don't want these eggs to be cold. Yeah? So we always ensure that the colds are not like, my problem is, Robert, you're done. Oh my God. Can you try to put it now? See if it's enough. The problem we are facing, it's like the water was leaking, like literally the water was leaking. The water was leaking from this machine, and that's why I said it was so important. Like when you're doing your whole incubation, to be careful at day 18. I'm supposed to be done, but I cannot leave a machine like that. And even now, it's not even enough. Okay, you can put it on top. Yes. Okay, good. Pole pole. Okay. Chukua pole pole. Again. That one can be okay for now. Let's put that. The other one is fine. Can we? You can put it on top. Just up there for now. So, by the way, guys, this is temporary. This is not how we do it. It's only that we are giving it more time. We had to remove in the water, which was logging inside. So we are just buying more time. And let me know where you're watching from. And yeah, is that an egg? If it's not enough, you can place it here on top. So let me know where you're watching from. What's your thought? This is day 18 of eggs incubation. I'll even show you guys how we are able to ensure that this testing is good. Let me know where you're watching from and what are your thoughts on this end. So obviously this is not how we place these eggs at the down. It's only that we are really trying. You've been able to handle it well. It doesn't need to be problematic. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, yeah. We just need to ensure that this machine stays warm as we are trying to set a new machine which is there. It's going to help us because we just realized that this machine, as you are able to see below, is doesn't have like enough space. So that's why we have this, and that's what we're setting up with. Robert, you're done? So let me know, guys, where you're watching from. Yeah, let me know where you're watching from and what are your thoughts for the same. So that's an egg incubator. So what we're doing is we are literally ensuring that the eggs are placed for a total lockdown, and then we'll be ready to start. So let me know where you're watching from, guys, and what are your thoughts for the same. Literally, it's very late in the evening, and but hey, that's what we do. That's what we do. So we have the team, obviously, they are doing their bit of cleanup. It's very late. I don't like keeping people late, but once I noticed that problem, I had to come back again and just try to redo it. I hope makes a lot of sense to you. Let me know where. Robert, you're done? So what we're doing is we are connecting these machines right here. So this is which was going to help us with to help decongest that machine right there. So in case you're wondering, it's day 18 of eggs incubation, and that's what we're trying to do, is to help guys set up this machine. Just maintain it like that, okay? On that side, don't move away from there. Should be good. So, let me see. So this is a machine again which we are also using. We had to get it. It's very cleaned. So the very funny bit is we'll be using it. It's cleaned well, huh? We'll also need to put in some water, obviously, a little bit of it, because of just kidogo tu, because of incubation. Usieke mingi, nipimia na ile ingine usieke from that direction. Just kidogo tu. Okay, because I know it will be, we usually measure it kidogo tu. You know, most of the time it has an outlet which you usually place here, but we only put kidogo tu, not a lot. So kidogo is a Swahili word, in case guys you're wondering what am I saying. which means a little bit. So can I see that the opener for the machine? This is the lid which you are going to use. Obviously it's going to go on top like this. Let me show you guys. And once it goes on top like this, I'll be able to connect it to the power. So we just need first to test it before everything gets started. Let me just go nearby so I can show you how it looks like. See, that's the litro machine right there. It's picking up the temperature, and oh my god, what happened? Sorry guys, my machine is going crazy now. Yeah, hey Anita, sorry, we had to come back again, and now I think oh my god, guys. I think we're still warming up. This is a small one. And as I was saying, Anita, thanks for coming back. We are trying to resolve a problem. Even my machine is going shaky. This is very interesting. So allow me to redo this. I want to lose the orientation, guys. Sorry, it should be better. So yeah, that was better, but now it's back. So we started doing, this is day 18 of incubation, but after we had finished setting up, which was our previous live stream, we realized, one, the temperatures went up, and then the water was leaking. And we realized why. So this is why we are going for this small machine right here, which is literally going to help us reduce this load. Obviously, we are going to, how do I put it? We're going to stack it up. We have these micro eggs hatching trays, which should be stacked up in that. So what I'm interested now is, one, to check the temperatures reading, if they're going to come up well, because it's a bit crazy. And then obviously I'll also need to change the humidity as well. Yeah, it's day 18 of eggs. And they are in case someone is wondering, where are these chicks? The chicks are in there, in that big machine, which we're trying to decongest, and I'll need to set everything is up. And we're inside the feeds warehouse, which is something I need to look for money for. Just come, don't go away. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. Just hold it up for me. In case you have any question, please ask us what you're doing. We'll be back to you. So let me try first to recalibrate the machine with the guys. It's very late in the night, but our chicks need to be known better. So what I do with this one, temperature is picking up, obviously. I'll also need to do the same of what I did with the other one. Okay, close it. Then we'll do, all right, there is it. Mode. Also need to shut this machine off. Wait, stop. So for this one, I just need to set the temperatures. It's been a very long time since I operated this machine. I need to figure it out. Can someone give me something to sit on? Oh my God, the things I have to do as an entrepreneur, and this is just a startup phase, because obviously once we go up, it needs to be a bit better. So, and unfortunately, this machine can't be up, because if it's up, then the whole thing at the back goes on. So I'm just trying to set it up so that at least we have these eggs a fighting chance. Because I just realized if that tray was going to remain below there, someone said, which is true, the hatching success rate might be lower than should be. And that's why we're trying to change it. So I'm trying to look at the mode. Oh my God, it's not even responding. Oh, the temperature. Oh yeah, so the temperatures has come up. You can see this line up there. So what I'll do again. I want my temperature to be at 37.5. I think that's what we're also using on the big machine, because that day they will be. And that, okay, is mode. Then the next thing I'll do is humidity, which has its own button right here, unlike that. So I'll also tend to set the humidity to go down. I'll do 55. I mean, some people do like 60 or something, but I'll try to do 55 and 60 maybe. That's okay. So, and you see that you can be able to see, let me show you closer. Just bring it closer. I show you what I mean by that. And I'm super dirty, guys. You see what I mean? The setup, in case someone is asking the up close. You see what I mean by that? We are setting that, it's a 37. And how you do with this small machine is you go for the mode, which is right there. But now if I go for the temperature, I click on the temperatures, and that's the dominion I want to change. Then obviously I will go back, sorry. Temperatures, I could either go higher with this button, that is 7.6 or that is 7.5, which can be okay. And if I'm okay, I place on the mode and I'll be okay. Then if I go for the humidity, I'll press on the humidity. I can work with 55 or 60. It doesn't matter. It's just not big enough. The big machine, which is right here, this is what we're trying to decongest, guys, in case you're joining for the first time. We realize it's not enough, doesn't have enough space for hatching, and we want to create sometime enough space with this. So the first bit is changing the temperature. And obviously for now, there isn't much inside. It's just that the temperatures is picking up, and that's what I need. Then we're going to be placing the eggs inside. So the temperatures are okay. I've shown you how to do that. Temperatures, 36, 37.6, which is good. Then the humidity. So I think everything being done, we'll be stacking up everything now with Robert and the other guys. So let me know what are your thoughts, guys. Okay, that is good. Just hold it here. And also let me know where you're watching from. Also, good to see you. Good to see you, Anita, and thank you so much with the moderation. I know today we are having those crazy moments at night. So what we need to do now is, before everything else, we open it up, and then we'll need to place the eggs. Yeah, we start with the placement of the eggs. What you can do is you can have this on right there. Just one tray, okay? Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. Hatching chicks. Let me go closer so you can be able to see what you're doing. Yeah. Close that one, Robert. You need to close one to ensure there is in case you have any question, let me know. We are hatching chicks and it's day 18. Yeah, for a successful hatchery, the temperature and humidity should be very precise. Yeah, definitely, they should be definitely, and that's what we're doing. So we are transferring eggs from this tray because we realized the space wasn't big enough. So we'll be doing that until we are done. Also, I should be showing you something once these guys are done. So we're moving these eggs and we are placing them in another machine right there. Hopefully they will be able to be hatched in the next 3 days. We didn't want to risk with the other one, so that's enough. Okay, we press the other one on top. So welcome guys, let me know where you're watching from. So once that's done, the other side, you press in another, yes, you can see that. And it's coming along well, unlike the other one, which was very stressful. So we have the guys who are doing it, and it's amazing. It's just amazing. It's what we have to do to survive. Building a small company is no joke, guys. I can hold it like that, right? You can also pick that on Kwanzaa. Yeah. So it's day 18 of eggs incubation, and we are going for a total lockdown. We realized earlier on there was a mistake, guys. I need to close this one. So also when you're doing it, you close you ensure it's closed so that there's no humidities going on. Once that's done, then we are also placing in another tray at the top. Okay, this is good. We can place this one, right? Okay. So let me know where you're watching from and what do you think of process of incubation. If you have any question, please do. You're done? Let me go through. So obviously you get your eggs slowly and also ensure. I'll also show you something while everybody, ooh, there was a mistake. We're almost losing power. What happened? It's too heavy. So we're placing them. Meanwhile, I'll also show you something, guys. I don't know if I've ever shown you how to check if the eggs are fertilized or not. So once they are done, polepole Rogers, usichukue ngumu sana kwa sababu ukichukua na nguvu utavunja. Is on how do you check the fertility and everything else. So you have a phone. Anyone with a phone? Please show me your phone. Thank you. Give me a light. So how we do that is simple. Hold this one for me. Yeah, this one. So how we are able to do that is pretty simple. I know the guys are working and they don't want me to do that. So you're able to pick like an egg like this one. I don't know. I'm just randomly. I want to see if there's an embryo formation or not. Some they have. And how do I know that? Robert, are you afraid of staying in the darkness for 1 minute? Can you switch off the light? So the light goes off, and based on that, you can be able to come check if there is any formation or not. So this is how, I don't know if you guys you can be able to see. This is how you are able to do and check. But this one doesn't seem to have like a good. Doesn't have to seem like have a good formation. This one has not been formed. So I'll be checking for like others, guys. Give me another egg, please. So we check for another one. Yeah, I'll tell you. This one was in which level? Also, this one is not really like really fully formed because you can be able to see that kind of for day 18 there should be proper formation. I'm suspecting the one at the lower stage they were never really properly formed. That's why you're seeing that. So I'm not really counting back on that. So that's how you check your formation. Give me another egg as you guys will continue on. So that's how you check. You check if there is a proper formation. And for day 18, if there is no dark, that shows you there is no proper formation. So out of the 3 eggs, I don't know, 3 seems not to be properly formed on the dark side. So we're going to chat for a few bits and see what's happened. You can turn on the lights now. Full. The one you can put in here in Ashida. Only for this one. You can put them on this tray. It's very interesting. I've seen some eggs with no good formation like this one. It's like they formed and then they died. That's very interesting. I don't know. Just ensure that the machine is not overloaded. So, okay. Put this on as well there. Okay. Yeah, you can. I've seen one. You can close. I've seen one. I've seen one. You see this? This has a chick, obviously. This one, I can say it has because when it formed, it's very interesting. It did form because I see the embryo, but it's day 18. It should be super dark. Turn off the light. So this is how you check your candling. There are those ones which are there and those ones which are not. Turn on the light, please. I know. Some they have good egg formation. I don't know what happened, right? Robert. Some have. Like this one is formed, right? This one is not formed. I know it did not form or it did die. What could have happened? This one is formed. Okay. This one is formed, but it did die. Very interesting. We need to close it. Close it now. What we can do? Okay. Kila kitu iko sawa. All the machines kule chini they were properly nini formed zote. Oh, good. You can press this one low. Yeah, ina shida cause it's just this, isn't it? Okay, that one.
Alafu tutai turn the other side, right?
So we are done. At least now we can say these eggs will have better go on. They'll have a better. Just hold on. They'll have a better way of surviving. I know it's very late, so that's why we had to come up and say, hey, I think there was an issue and we really need to check that. So Robert, what you do is so that these guys don't go into the water next time. I don't know if you're going to use this a tray. You can. Is this tray enough just before you close for the water? You can use this tray. Pale kwa maji chini, this one. So in case watanini umekava vizuri. That's good. Okay, good. Yeah, and that's it. So when they hatch, you'll be putting this tray inside ya chini, si ndio? Alafu si unajua how we do it. So we are done. We are literally done. And yeah, that's the incubation. So you can now see, I don't know, I've seen some eggs with no proper formation, and that scares me at this moment. But we are going to check what's the issue. We have the big machine right there, and we have the other smaller one right there. So that was it, guys. I think everything looks solid. We can just wait to see after 3 days if these chicks are going to come out. And the countdown starts today. Yeah, the good thing is, at least with this one, you can see what's inside. I'm only just afraid. I was looking at some few eggs, and then I just realized, I don't know, some had proper formation, some didn't. So I don't know why that's the issue. Because I think we had followed up proper procedures, but yeah. I don't know, let me know, which is your favorite machine? The small machine right there or the big machine just there? They're all used for incubation, just in case you're wondering. And today we're going for a total egg lockdown. So how many of them are we going to hatch or not? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure. But let's wait and see. I don't know. So for those who joined, thank you so much. And hopefully tomorrow we can catch up. But obviously not on the incubation. Incubation will come back here on day 30, on 3 days from today, to go see, or rather to come to see what's the progress so far. I don't know, Robert, why was it the eggs we checked, I didn't see a proper formation? How is that possible? By humidity was like 50, 45, was like 45. 45, I don't know. But we're going to say what's the issue. They recommended 45 to 50 for the first 18 days. Yeah. When we went back again, remember? We only raised like humidity at day 18, so still I don't know. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. I don't know. Okay. Oh my God. I don't know what could be the issue. Because we checked the formation last time and then it was there, right? And then it's like, I don't know. Let me see. Just thinking. Just thinking. I'm just thinking, guys. Someone give me your phone. The one has camera. I need to check few eggs because now you can scare me again. Random, yeah. I don't know last time I did it. I don't know. I need to be sure what's going on. Like there was formation. The formation was there. I don't know. Why did it die? As you can see that, right? Should be super dark. So in case you're wondering, it's why it's still dark is I'm just checking a few things. I'm just telling Robert, I don't understand why. Today is the what, Robert? You sure? Why is this? Because this is not normal. This is like an embryo is moving. Really? Very interesting. I don't know. I'm having a bad feeling about this. And the temperatures have been the same, right? Yes, it should be this. Let me show you guys what I mean when I say the formation. When you're saying the cheeks, which is properly formed, for those wondering why I'm having an issue, for example, I can say this cheek is going to hatch. Why? Because if you check an egg at day 18 and it's not super dark like this, I don't know. Yes, you see that if at day 18 there is no darkness like that, then you know there is a problem. Because if it's seeing you, if you are able to see through, because this chick is showing you its last stage of its life, and you can see proper lining for the same. But some of the eggs I'm checking again is the same problem. But at least this one you can be able to see. That's how you check if the formation is there. So in case you're joining, this is day 18. We are literally doing a bit of sampling and a bit of checking the eggs as well. So you can turn on the light, please. So this is how we check the formation for the eggs, in case you're wondering. And yeah, I don't know if you come out, Robert, you're able to see what I'm saying, right? Most of the eggs, and I'm now starting to have my doubt with this machine, because if I'm not able to get more of my eggs like that, I don't know, guys. Like this is properly formed. I don't know. Yeah, this is again, it's the same thing I was I was saying, I don't know if you guys, let me show you another egg. Close for me that door. And I'm doing a random sampling, guys, so that you see that this eggs, it shows you there is a proper formation, because you, even if you press it there, you see that's the chick inside, as opposed to some of the eggs which I did pick for like previously 5 minutes ago. For this one, you see proper chick, and even from where I am, I can be able to see, because that's the air sac and everything. So you need to check. For us, we did a sample at day 14, and we saw there was, but now I'm checking again and there is. You can turn the lights. So yeah, that's why it's so important. In case you guys are wondering, sijui kama you get Robert why I was saying, like, I don't understand, because they should be like this, most of the eggs. But I'm starting to question the supply again of the machine now, because I don't know. Yeah, this is good. All of this is good. This is good. So I guess we have had enough for today, guys. I've got to go. So I go home. It's very nice. We'll come back later, possibly, in case you're joining. We were doing a total lockdown for that big machine right there. We did not have enough space. So what we did is we formed this other small machine here. I don't even know how many eggs we put in, but obviously for this one, definitely has like how many eggs? 1056, but we were doing half of that, and we are going to the last stage of eggs formation. I was just worried by the moment I'm transferring eggs there, I was just worried that some of these eggs, they had no good formation of the embryo. All right. So got to go now. I keep saying this. I hope that makes sense to you, and we can definitely catch up possibly in 3 days time, and see if this little guy is here. They're going to be hatched. I don't know, because now when I was checking inside, I was like, oh my god, there's no formation. Well, some there are formation. It can be such a nightmare. I don't know. So Robert, I think that's okay. Total lockdown. Also confirm if the water is leaking, so that to see kama if there's a disaster kama nini. Just confirm if the water is leaking. I'm just telling Robert to confirm if the water is leaking, because once we close, we have not even opened this incubator for the last 7 days. It's a bit closed like that. No, okay, have you confirmed down kabisa? Just lift the lid, alafu on how the inflow is coming in. So stabilize kabisa. Okay, but someone will need to check, because I don't know, can be a disaster. Good. All right, guys. So I guess this is it. I'm super tired. We started like this process from what time? We started this process from 4:30. It's very late into the night. It's even how I'm sweating now, because the temperatures inside there, it's crazy, because it's almost 37.9, but we're really trying to get it to 37.5 degrees Celsius. So that's what it takes when it comes to the incubation and day 18 total lockdown. We have no idea how many chicks are going to come up, but we can only wait and see. So thanks so much for tuning in. Anita and the rest, was really a pleasure. I hope this is insightful. And if you have any question, please, you can always leave after watching the live. I can always come back and answer those questions again. So bye bye, guys.